Hey guys, just wanted to show you this quick video before it leaves our shop. This is a 2015 Spyder that we've had a chance to actually work a lot. We were able to get this bike in tip-top shape and make it look like as good as new. So I just want to do our traditional walk around of all the things that we've done here. So we did a top case run and brake on the top, run brake yellow turn. We did the license plate with the Spyder, but we also put these strobe lights that they had requested, and we did the saddlebag lights with the reflector and also LEDs on this, which is nice. And let's see, we did fender lights, sequential amber, sequential red with the DOT reflectors on it. We did the back of the A-arm in red, and they also turn amber. We did driving spotlights. We did the Vader lights here. They come on daytime running light white, but they also turn yellow. And we also did this really cool spoiler LED. So notice we actually don't have a skid plate because the skid plate actually takes off ground clearance off the bottom, at least a good inch off the bottom. So, but with this spoiler LED, even if you were to run aground on the bottom, you really wouldn't even take this out because this sits on the very upper lip. So you would literally have to crash into something in order to take these lights out. So we've got double A-arm lights, white daytime running lights, and an encased smoke tube so they never yellow or crack, and they turn yellow when you turn on your turn signal. So let's go ahead and turn this on. Look how sharp that looks. That spoiler LED and that Vader light looks super sharp. So let's turn on the hazard lights so you can see it turn yellow there. So really nice for visibility. And we've got our sequential fenders, our red in the back of the A-arm here, which turns amber when you turn on the turn signal, but when you turn it off, they go back to red, which is nice. And that all goes back to white for daytime running lights. So for the back, your saddlebag lights, so this is an exact same size, just like OEM. But they are now also have reflectors and also an LED, so it makes it super visible from the side here. So we've got our brake flashers that are on the brake here, and you'll see it flash right here, and also these flashers back here. We got our top case light, and let's turn on the hazard lights again so we'll see these things go yellow when you turn on your turn signals. Yeah, really sharp. All right, guys. Well, so that is the Special Series RT from TricLED. Hey guys, thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to bring you new content and innovative products.